Hello everyone! In this video I will show you how to create a survey or quiz in Microsoft Forms. First, you need to go to forms.microsoft.com and log in as a licensed user. Then you will see a welcome screen like this. Here you can choose between a form to collect responses or a quiz. We will start with the new form. Here you can edit the title and add a description if you like. Then you can add different types of questions and create the possible answers if it's a choice. It's possible to add images to questions and answers. You can select required to require an answer to the question, and you can allow multiple answers. Besides the choice type, you also have some others and some recommended questions. Let us take some of the recommended ones and have a look. Here we have two choices and a question with a text box. To change the style of your forms, go to Style and choose something you like. Preview allows you to see how it will look to other people. You can toggle between computer and mobile view. When you are ready to send your forms, go to Collect Responses. Here you can specify if you want to share it with your company only or with anyone. Then you have several ways to publish. You can copy and send the link. You can generate a QR code and send or print it. You can embed the forms in a web page, or you can send it directly from Outlook or Teams. You can see the results on the responses page. The quiz is very similar. Here you can add messages for selected options and set points for the questions. You can choose the correct answer by clicking the tick on the left side of the option. Go to Preview to see how it would look like. Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please leave a like or a comment. If you hit the subscribe button, I would be very happy and grateful. Bye.